We can take this ride wherever it goes, as long as you're with me.
Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to test out the new app from Samsung, the Expert RAW, and have another look at the question: can mobile photography replace digital cameras? Here are the specs of the cameras on the phone. We have a 13mm, 24, 72, and 230. Long story short, the 24mm is pretty good, quite close to a 1-inch sensor, and the others are fine. So now let's take a look at the app. It is quite similar to the Pro mode. Inside the normal camera app, you can change your ISO, shutter speed, exposure compensation, focus, and white balance. And we just leave everything on auto for now. So this is what happens when you take a photo. After you press the shutter button, it will take a while, and then when you go to check on your photo, you can see it calculating the HDR, and a few seconds later you have a perfectly exposed photo. For me personally, I would be happier if they just leave the editing to me, because sometimes I think the algorithm is just too aggressive. Now let's just take a look at what the other focal lengths will look like. They all look okay to me, but it's a little bit too artificial for my taste. So there's a couple of things I found after using the app for a while. First of all, there's a shutter lag. So the time you press the button is not the time that it takes a photo. There is a little lag in between, and I think this is worse at night. So it's quite hard to get a perfect shot when you're doing street photography. The other thing is, because of all the computing and enhancing it's doing after you take a photo, the buffer size is really small. It's just 2 photos. After 2 shots, it will just freeze the shutter button and you can't press it anymore. You have to wait for like 20-30 seconds. After all the photos are processed, then your shutter button will go back to normal, then you can press it again. After another 2 shots, the same thing happens again. If you are using the app continuously for like 10-15 minutes, the phone gets really warm. I hope this will be fixed in a later software update. So here are some photos I took using this app, and then I edit them using Lightroom just to test out some presets that I have.
Take this ride wherever it goes, as long as you're with me. I feel at home. Can you tell me why? 'Cause I wanna know. As long as you're with me, I feel at home. Oh, I got it bad, I just wanted love. I got it bad, I just needed loving. I got it bad, I just wanted love. Someone like you. I got it bad, I just wanted love. I got it bad, I just needed loving. I got it bad, I just needed love. We can take this ride wherever it goes, as long as you're with me. Baby, I feel at home. Can you tell me why? 'Cause I wanna know. As long as you're with me, I feel at home.
So after seeing all the photos, do you think they're good enough to replace a digital camera? Let me know down in the comments below. If you like this video, leave me a like, it really makes a difference. Subscribe to the channel and go follow me on Instagram. This is Ken, and I'll see you in the next video.